Legal dictation for Allahabad High Court. Exercise number 9. Speed 110 words per minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The Learned Counsel for the Appellant Mission has raised several contentions. He submitted that an appeal filed before the division bench of the High Court was a regular statutory appeal, full stop. It was in the nature of first appeal, and all questions of fact as well as of law could be agitated. It was therefore incumbent on the division bench of the High Court to admit the appeal and to decide it after appreciating the evidence on record by a detailed and reasoned judgment. Full stop. Dismissal of appeal in limine by the division bench was improper, and on that ground alone the impugned order deserves to be set aside. Full stop. It was also urged that even if the appeal is considered to be an intra-court appeal, all questions of fact and of law could be argued, and the division bench cannot refuse to admit the appeal by dismissing it at the threshold, observing that it agrees with the finding recorded by the trial court. Full stop. It was also urged that as many as 13 issues were framed by the trial court, and all those issues were required to be considered by the division bench. Full stop. They raised disputed questions of fact which necessitated appreciation of evidence, application of mind by the division bench, and a reasoned judgment. Full stop. Para. The council argued that from the facts it was clearly established that there was a will executed by the deceased Kumari Uma Bose in 1994, which was duly registered. They ought to have been considered, but they were not considered by the division bench in their proper prospective. Full stop. According to the council, if respondent number 1 challenged legality and validity of the will, comma, the proceedings initiated on the original side of the High Court were not maintainable, and the only court which had jurisdiction to decide such question was a competent civil court which had execution jurisdiction in such matters. Full stop. Testamentary suit instituted by the respondent number 1 before the learned single judge on the original side of the High Court was therefore not maintainable. Full stop. Para. The council made serious grievance against the order passed by the learned single judge and confirmed by the division bench on the ground that they had committed grave error in comparing signatures and handwritings of deceased Kumari Uma Bose on sale deed and in the will, and in coming to the conclusion that the signatures and the handwritings differed and they were not of one and the same person. Full stop. The council urged that this court was held in several cases that no comparison of handwriting should be made by a court, as it is the function of an expert. Full stop. It is dangerous, hazardous, and risky to record a finding on comparison of handwritings on different documents, and it should be avoided. Full stop. In the instant case, through the said objection was taken before the trial court by the appellant, and an application was also made to send the handwritings to expert. The prayer was rejected, and the court proceeded to undertake the exercise which was not warranted. Full stop. Stop.